Hi po. Hi everyone. I'm Rexis Jancy de la Cruz, and today I want to share something personal, and it's about my journey of faith and how I have come to understand God through my own experiences and eventually learning about their religions. So, what did I discover about God from learning about other religion? So, while studying and learning about other religion, I realized that kahit magkaiba tayo ng paniniwala, ganun po, paniniwala, lahat tayo ay naghahangad ng kabutihan, kapayapaan at pagiging connected kay God. So, each religion teaches values like love, compassion, and respect. Through that, I had discovered that God's love is universal at walang kabantay. So it helps me to realize that how amazing God is because He reveals Himself in many ways to different kind of people. So, how do I experience God presence in my life? I experience God presence in both big and small moments. For example, kapag may mga araw na pakiramdam ko pagod ako or nawalan ako ng direksyon, may mga pagkakataon na may taong biglang tumutulong o may magandang bagay na mangyayari para sabihin na Lord na nandito ako lagi sa tabi mo at hindi ako mawawala sa tabi mo, parang ganun po. So I also feel His presence when I'm with my family and friends. So show love, laughter, and even silence. God's presence remind me that I am never alone, even in my lowest moments. What moments strengthened or challenged my faith? So there were times when I faced problems that really tested my faith. So there are times when I doubt myself and even question why things were happening. But looking back, I realized those were the moments when God was teaching me about patience, trust, and perseverance. So when I overcome those kind of challenges, I always see God's hand guiding me through. So those difficulties moment actually became blessing in disguise because they made my faith stronger, and my relationship with God deeper. So how can I keep growing my spiritual journey? I can keep growing my spiritual journey by continuing to pray sincerely, by listening to God's word, and by surrounding myself with people who encourage me to live with kindness and purpose. I also want to be more thankful, to appreciate both the good and bad things that happen in my life, because every experience teaches me to something that helps me to grow closer to God. So magbibigay din po ako ng Bible verse sa Matthew 19 verse 26. So nakasulat dito na with God all things are possible. So dahil dito parang mas nararamdaman ko na importante yung God sa akin kasi alam kong kahit anong mangyari, basta kasama ko si God, walang imposible na gawin. Why is personal relationship with God is important to me? So having a personal relationship with God gives me direction, peace, and hope. Alam kong kahit anong mangyari, may Diyos na laging makikinig or umaalalay at magtuturo sa akin para sa tamang landas. It's that kind of relationship that reminds me that I know that I am being loved, forgiven, and guided every single day. With God, I find courage to keep moving forward and the strength to believe that everything happens for a reason. So my faith journey is far from perfect, but I know that it is real and meaningful. Every day, I am learning to trust God more and to see His goodness in everything around me. I know that with faith, I continue to grow, not just spiritually, but also as a person who lives with love, purpose, and gratitude. That is all. Thank you, and God bless us all.